Hey guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon.
Hey.
We are here at the Salt Creek Falls Snow Park. I think it has a different name actually, but I always just call it the Salt Creek Falls Snow Park because you park here if you want to go to Salt Creek Falls in the winter because they close the snow gate to the actual parking lot. Anyway, we are going snowshoeing, the epic snowshoe trip that I've been talking about. Unfortunately, now it seems we are a little too late because the snow is not in the condition that, whoa, that's really slippery.
Yeah, please don't fall.
That road is icy. Yeah, the snow is not really in the condition that we would like it to be, but we're still going. It's going to be fun. Super short. It's like 4.3 miles or something, and 2 waterfalls. Hopefully we will be able to get down to Diamond Creek Falls. Usually you can view it from like a platform, but you can actually go down to the falls, which is awesome. So yeah, right now we're just walking on the road to where the snow starts. And then we'll strap on our snowshoes and get started. It's a clear blue sky day, totally awesome. We're super stoked. So we'll catch you on the trail. We've made it to Salt Creek Falls, the viewing platform. So cool how icy it is down there. And then it just plunges down and the creek continues down through this valley. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. So we're gonna go actually down there. That's a little railing. And we're gonna go down there and get a better view of the waterfall. Okay guys, we are down here, down at the waterfall. It's so pretty. Look at that. So cool. Wow.
Does this continue or do we have to go back up?
We have to go back up.
Okay.
Yeah. We came from way up there. Met a subscriber, Alicia. Hello. There's a lot of spray, so I'm gonna go not get this camera too wet. So pretty. So here you can tell exactly how deep the snow is. Really not that deep. You know, like maybe 2 feet at the most. And my foot keeps wanting to slip in the snowshoe. I hate these snowshoe bindings. They absolutely suck. But yeah, it's really pretty. It's very warm. It feels like 50 degrees, especially in the sun. It's super warm. And now we're gonna head over this bridge here. We're gonna cross Salt Creek Falls and head over to Diamond Creek. Or we're gonna cross Salt Creek and head over to Diamond Creek. If the snow is really high, this bridge can be really sketchy because the snow sometimes goes over the guardrails, but not today. Not today. Okay guys, we're about to cross this super sketchy bridge. As you can see, the railing only goes halfway. Who designed this? Who designed this? We're gonna try it. I'll let you know how it goes. You got it. Slow and steady. This is so scary. Almost there. Nope, not yet. Nope, don't hold on to that yet. There you go. Yep. You got it! Yay! So as you saw, we made it across the sketchy log. Now we just have to go back. But now we're at this beautiful, beautiful waterfall. It's so gorgeous, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh, I just love this. This is so epic. Wow. This is Diamond Creek Falls. We made it back to the main trail because going down to Diamond Creek Falls, or lower, I guess it's Lower Diamond Creek Falls.
Lower Diamond Creek Falls.
It is a little offshoot of the main trail that generally, if it's really deep snow, you can't really do in the winter. As you saw, that bridge is sketchy. Yeah, we made it back to the main trail. Now I think we have like a mile to go back to the parking area and then just up the road a little bit to the snow park. It's been great so far, quite the adventure. Still happy we didn't fall in the creek.
Oh yeah!
Because it's it would be quite the fall. It was what, maybe 5 feet? 4 feet?
Yeah. Don't forget the snowshoes. Didn't want to break an ankle.
Right, so we would be falling basically 4 feet into the water, but with snowshoes. So we were kind of sketched by that because, you know, snowshoes are kind of awkward. So we came to this viewpoint and we're like, what are we supposed to be seeing? And then we noticed this waterfall here through the foliage here. So this is Upper Diamond Creek Falls, and you can see it just cascades all the way down. It just keeps going, basically goes into Salt Creek. Hey guys, we made it back to the trailhead. Not sure how many miles we did. Well, the loop on its own is like 3.5, and then we went down to both of those areas. So my guess is we did 4.2 or even 4.5, maybe 4.5.
And then this is like
oh, and that. So maybe we did 5. We may have done 5 miles, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.